Does your CP Plus NVR run slower over time or occasionally freeze? A scheduled reboot clears the temporary cache and refreshes the system, keeping your recorder running smoothly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to schedule auto reboot in CP Plus NVR. Let's get started. Step 1. Login to NVR settings. First, right-click on the live view screen and select Main menu. Enter your admin password. Once logged into NVR settings, now from top menu navigate to Info, and then into System Maintain. Here, you will get Auto Reboot option. Under Auto Reboot option, you will get Days and Time option. Now, choose your reboot frequency. Weekly is recommended. This reboots the NVR once every 7 days. Select the specific day of the week, and then set a time. Pick a time when recording isn't critical, typically very early in the morning, like 3 a.m., and then press Apply button to save settings. That's it. Your CP Plus NVR will now reboot automatically on that schedule. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.